Hey, it's Rick. Welcome to the channel. This is the 5th video in a series about 3D printed tools for screen printing. When loading inks from the jar onto the screen, most screen printers use spatulas. The problem is what to do with them once they're covered in ink. If you put them down as is, they'll get ink all over the table and contaminate the ink on the end of the spatula. You can clean them off, but you're going to use them again later to either load the screen with more ink during a long run, or to put the ink back in the jar when you're finished. All of this cleaning wastes a lot of ink. I'd prefer to put them someplace I don't have to clean them off every time, so I designed this model in Modo and printed it on my FDM printer. I'll put a link to it in the description. This one holds 6 spatulas because I've got a 6-color press. It keeps the spatulas from touching each other and keeps the ink on them from being cross-contaminated. It will also hold spatulas with oddly shaped handles. That's all for this video. If you felt you learned something or you were inspired to maybe design your own tools for screen printing, please click the like and subscribe buttons. If you've got any suggestions for 3D printed screen printing tools, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.